Hello America, Mark.Kelson here today. Beautiful Junction City, Oregon at the great Guaranty RV to present to you this 2021 Base Star by Newmar. It's a 3414 model on the V8. Let's go in and see what it has to offer. So coming into the coach, you can see that the colors in here are very pleasing. It has a nice contrast of cream and light brown, and nice flooring at a diagonal angle here, and you'll see a large couch that folds out into a bed, and it's directly across from the televator TV along with the fireplace for ambiance or heat. It's just a really nice setup, very relaxing on those evenings when you come back into your coach. Coming back into the kitchen area, you do have a Whirlpool refrigerator, and that is residential. It's 2 doors, and it is stainless steel. It's very nice. Coming into the kitchen, you have the 3-top burner stove on the Corian countertop, plate over the top, and kind of a L-shaped kitchen, if you will. Very nice design. Has a 2 sink, and that is stainless steel with the Moen faucet. Very nice. You'll have a Whirlpool microwave convection oven over the top, and directly across from that, and the beautiful cabinetry is maple, by the way, you will have a chairs and table that does expand and allows you to put 2 more chairs there for guests that may be coming along with you. Now, coming back into the center area where the bathroom is, it is a split bath, so you're going to have a shower over on the passenger side along with the commode, and you do have the door that is an exit in the case of an emergency. Across the hallway from that will be the dual sink with a nice Corian countertop, and you have many drawers and some cabinetry and a beautiful mirror up above to check yourself out before you go out for the daytime. Coming back into the back of the coach, you'll see that you have featured a queen bed, and that's a true 60 by 80 bed. The headboard behind the bed is very nice, and it has the windows on the side to allow you to look out and also to give you some ventilation when you're back there and it's a hot night or something of that nature. And you have a window going out the very back, very nice. That is an exit window also right there. Across from the bed, you're going to have a bank of drawers and the cabinetry along with a TV up above. So let's go up into the cockpit and see what's up there. Now coming up into the cockpit, you'll see this is on a Ford chassis. Now this is the new V8, and so this has a lot of power and a lot of stability. It does have the beautiful seats. They're 2-tone seats, and it gives you a Voyager backup camera. You do have navigation in this coach, and also the stereo, and just anything you could want up there electronically. It does have the automatic levelers over on the side, and you have cruise control at the touch of a button right at the steering wheel. You can turn on your generator. You can move your mirrors. You can heat those mirrors. You can do everything just right up here. So very handy. Up above, you do have cabinetry along with the electronics over on the left-hand side, and that has a clear glass portion to it so that you can get through that with your remote control. Now in the center column there, you have the little tray that folds up into a table. So not only is it a cup holder, but it also serves as a nice little table if you want to turn those seats towards each other and look out the window in the morning as you're having breakfast. Now over the passenger seat, you also have another little table so that your co-pilot can navigate and have a computer there or a snack or whatever they want to have as they're going down the road. Let's go outside and see what it has to offer outside. So stepping outside in this coach, you will notice first and foremost that the paint job is exquisite. It is a full body paint job, and so you will never have to worry about the luster of your coach. It'll always be there throughout the life of this coach. You'll notice on the side that you have this side camera also. So not only do you have the backup camera coming out the back, but you have the side cameras which illuminate going down the side, which make it a lot safer of a turn, if you will. Now, it has an automatic awning that pretty much goes the full length of that coach. So it's a large awning, and on this coach in particular, it comes out and it's very stylish, but it also has the windows that are the frameless windows, and so the two together make it a really nice seating area on the outside for you to invite guests over for, tailgating or whatever, having a picnic or party. It's a fun time. There's plenty of storage under this coach. You have 8 compartments on this passenger side, and they all have storage in there. And coming up and over to the other side, if you have something long, you can just pop it up in there if you have a surfboard or something like that, and it'll fit underneath down in the basement of this coach. Now, coming around to the back of the coach, you'll look up and you'll see that there is the backup camera, and so that's a safety feature. You look at your tow vehicle on the way down the road, or it acts as kind of a rear view mirror, if you will. And you also have a ladder accessing the top of this unit, and so with that you can get up there and check the seals on all of the components and make sure that you're not getting any water intrusion, and make sure that just everything up there is working correctly. Coming over to the other side of the coach, the driver's side, in the back, you'll see that this is a 50 amp service, so you have all the power you'll ever need right there. And not only that, you're going to have a 5,500 watt Awning generator on this coach, so either way, whether you go plugged in or you're boondocking, you've got that power right there at the touch of a button. Now, this does have a 5,000 pound hitch on the back, so you can tow a Jeep or you can tow virtually any car that is towable, and so that's very nice. But you can take it along with you, unhitch, and do some hill climbing or whatever you want to do. It does have a water bay over here that is all inclusive, and you're going to have the black tank flush in there. It does have a full house filter to the system, so this is a nice area right there. It's all in one compartment, and you can clean your tanks, you can empty your tanks, you can hose your dog off. It's got the it's got the little spritzer there, and you can, if you're going down to the beach, you can hose your feet off, whatever you need to do. This coach has it all. Coming up underneath, you're going to see you got a propane tank. You've got your batteries right there on a tray. It has everything that you could want. So as you can see, this is a great coach, a lot of features. If this coach is of interest to you, or any of the coaches we have here on the campus, please feel free to give me a call, Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.